Hi, I'm Helen and welcome to my channel. Today's yoga class will be a bit different. It will be eye yoga. So I'll guide you through some exercises that really stimulate and strengthen all these muscles that we have around our eyes. It's really important to take care of our eyes, especially in today's environment where we're just constantly looking at screens all day long, whether it's on our phone or our tablets or computer screen at work. You know, in the olden days, we used to just watch television every now and then. I remember when there was only 3 channels, but now we're just constantly looking at screens. So give these exercises a try and see if they make your eyes feel a bit better. They may even reduce headaches as well. So we'll start just staring straight forward and then raise your eyes up to the sky and then look down, up, down. We'll do this 10 times. This is 3, 4, up and down. Make sure you're not moving your head at all. 5, up and down. 6, down. 7 and down. 8, down. 9, down. And 10. And then just close your eyes, allow them to relax. So these exercises may feel a little bit odd, but it just makes you realize how little we actually move our eyes around. Now open, and this time we'll move side to side. So again, be mindful of keeping your head looking straight forward. You're just moving the eyes. So to the right, then to the left, 2, 3, we'll do this 10 times again, to the left, 4 to the right, to the left, 5, left, 6, left, 7, left, 8, left, 9, left, last one, 10 to the right, then to the left, and then close the eyes again and relax. And breathe here. So the next exercise we'll do is diagonal. So open the eyes. So you're going to start looking up to the right and then down to the left, 10 times again. Up, down, 3 to the right, up, and down, 4, down, 5, upper right, down to the left, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9 to the right, down, and 10, up, and then down, and then close the eyes. And we'll do that the other way. So open the eyes, and then you're going to look up to the left, and then down to the right. 2, down, 3, down, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, then down, 9, down, and 10, down, and then just close the eyes and relax. The next exercise will be moving the eyes round in a circle. So gently open the eyes. Remember, keeping the head neutral. We'll start looking up and then moving the eyes around to the left, down, over to the right, and back up. That's 1, 10 times again. Try not to rush through this. 2. Getting full range of motion of the eyeballs. 3. Try and bring your awareness to what your face is doing. 4. Are you furrowing your brow when you're looking up? 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one, 10. And then close the eyes again. I think I realized when I was doing that I was creasing up my forehead a bit. And we'll do 10 again, this time going the other way. So open the eyes. Remember, keeping the head still. Try to relax all the facial muscles. And then lift the eyes up, and this time round to the right. Moving them down to the floor, over to the left, and then up. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, try not to rush. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And close the eyes. So when I do that, it really makes you realize how little I actually do move my eyes around in their sockets. I feel quite a weird sensation. And then open the eyes, and this is the last exercise. So take your hand and give yourself a thumbs up. So hold the thumb maybe sort of just like obviously an arm distance away. Won't get much further than an arm distance. And you're going to shift the focus of your eyes. You're going to be focusing on your thumb and then focusing past it at something in the distance. We'll do again 10 of these. So start by focusing on your thumb, and keeping the head still, then move your focus to something in the distance. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then close the eyes. And then rub the palms of the hands together to generate a lot of heat between the palms. And then place each hand over each eye, like a little suction cup around the socket. Keeping the eyes closed underneath the palms, and just feel the heat from the hands. Should feel quite soothing. Just breathe here. So these are quite simple exercises, and you probably memorize them after just doing this once. So you just slot them into any time during your day. Maybe you can do them even when you're sitting on the tube, if you want a few funny looks. Slowly release. The yoga teacher, Shiva Ray, she says, if you want to freak someone out, just put your leg behind your head on the underground. But you don't have to go to that extreme. So that was my little eye yoga class. To say it's really beneficial to work all these muscles around our eyes. I know I feel a lot of eye strain when I'm constantly looking at a computer all the time, particularly since I was given a laptop at work and the screen's a lot smaller, and I actually started to have to wear glasses, and I found it really affected my eyesight. So take care of your eyes and try and slot these simple exercises in at some point during your day, and hopefully they'll make your eyes feel better. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.